Okay, started rebuilding the bench and carried in a bunch yesterday, and I just piled them in. And now I'm ready to put down the shelf. Now, before I had this shelf right here, probably about 14 inches wide, 3 feet long, maybe a little over. It worked. But this time, since I'm redoing it, I got this 20 by almost 4 feet of, let's see, I think it's Panda or Portnari. I'll hold it. Panda leathered. Yeah, beautiful stone. Okay, so I'm going to lay that down in there, and then we're going to figure out what's going on next. Now I've saved out, I have all these small ones, although it wouldn't hurt me if it'd be okay if I didn't use them. I have these, which are kind of broken ones. Oh, and then some small sink cutouts right here. And then another one here, another couple here. This one was broke, but it'll work for this application fine. They have breaks in them often, but you know, for here, it's fine as long as I can move them safely. And they are heavy. You can't carry these all day long or anything. It'd be ridiculous and definitely would be an injury. So I do some here and there. So I'll do a little bit more, and then I need to go clean up that area. This should be pretty good now. So I'll do a little cleanup here, try to make that look better, get the excess off, and then we'll be ready to, basically that area will be done. Okay, the more I can get out of here, then I can start cleaning up this area. So let's keep moving.